Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hereafter I'm going to upload creative videos like this too in the future. So I'm going to be uploading one week audio stuff, 1 week electronics, 1 week creativity. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Thor hammer. So first of all we take a cardboard length according to this measurement which I have taken in my cupboard, and we are going to cut it and we are going to make it a cuboid. So you all know how to make it a cuboid. It's simple, just cut small four lines and then just join together to form like this shape. Now place the cardboard like this and cut according to the both sides and make sure they both join perfectly. Then what we're going to do is take a cutter and then slice it like that, a small piece, and then take that and roll it to make the handle. And now paste the both joints perfectly, and then you put some glue gun and paste it in the middle, and then voila, it's ready. So you can design it as how much you want. You can design like this. You have designed some towards some red color for the handle and some designs too. And one more thing you can add is you can add some small secret weapon to it. So here the hammer is here. So this is a small shooting knife. So you can see it just shoots. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the handle, and I'm going to paste it in this way so it looks so good. And then put some glue gun and then it's ready. And the other thing which we're going to do is we're going to paste the bullets. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to take a small plastic bag like this, and we are going to put the bullets inside, and then we are going to paste it at the bottom of the hammer like this, in this position. You can paste some tape or with some glue gun, you can paste it. So whenever you want, you can take it easily and just shoot while you're playing some games. So here is how you do it. Take a stick and that, put in the gun, load it, and get ready to shoot. It is a very fun playing toy. You can actually play it and make sure you subscribe, and goodbye.